Everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 for a Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 97. We're in the home stretch. This is a 5-item checklist. I'm going to read the very brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A and a modern PC, get into TI Basic from there, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Alright, let's go ahead and read the program description. The computer asks you to give it the names of 5 items. It then prints them in a column with small checkoff boxes alongside. Okay, very straightforward. Let's get into TI Basic and start typing. Okay, 10 call clear. 20. Call CHAR, and this is going to be character number 128. Okay, we have to be careful here because we have a hexadecimal string we have to type in. So FF, let's see here, 8181818181. How many times did that happen? 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, let's see, let's get this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. 81, 81, 81, 81, 81, and FF. And I just want to make sure we have the right number of characters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, that's perfect. Very easy to make typos. Okay, 30. Dim. I string of 5. $40. Input first item. Let's make sure we get this exactly right. Okay, it looks to me like we have 2 spaces there. I'm going to do it exactly as written in the book. 2 spaces and a quote. And we're going to call that I string of 1. Oh, actually I forgot a colon. Let's fix that. 40 input first item. There we go. Colon I string of 1. Okay, let's clear the screen. List it out so far, just to keep it easy on the eyes here. 50 input second item. I string 2. $60. Third item. I string 3. 70 input fourth item. I string 4. Just make sure we're on track here. 80 input fifth item. Yes, 80 input fifth item. I string 5. Okay. 90. Let's see. We have 4 blank print lines, 90 through 120. So 90 print, 100 print, 110 print, 120 print, 130 print checklist. No punctuation. Nope. 140 for L equals 129. 150 print CHR string 126. And semicolon, I believe. 116. Next L. 170. Print. 180. For L equals 125. $190, print. CHR string. I think it was 128. I have semicolon. Quote, space, quote. Semicolon. I string of L. $200. Next L. 210. Call key. 0, Z, X. 220. If X equals 0, then 210. That just keeps it in a loop until we get a key press. And 230, go to 10. Okay, let's clear the screen, type list out the program. We're on the lookout for typos, math errors, syntax errors, anything of the sort. And at a glance, I'd say it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and run the program. First item, I don't know. Let's say we're going to make soup. We need chicken stock, chicken, carrots, celery, and onion. Very basic chicken soup. There we go. Chicken stock, chicken, carrots, celery, and onion. There we go. There's our little shopping list. All right, and then if we hit any key, we can do another one. How about just a more pedestrian shopping list here? Eggs, milk, butter, bread, and I don't know, how about cereal? Who knows? There we go. Eggs, milk, butter, bread, and cereal. Breakfast heavy checklist here. Anyways, cute little program. You can make a little checklist, and of course, if you had a printer back in the day, you could print out your little shopping list, that kind of thing. 5-item checklist. There you go. That's all this program does. Very, very straightforward. That was program number 97 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel for all the above. In any case, I appreciate if you check me out on the other platform, whichever platform you're on, and I appreciate the enthusiasm for these retro TI-99 4A videos, along with likes, follows, and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.